Hi everyone. So you see this pack of juice, Happy Monkey smoothie for Tesco. 5 of this na £5. But I can't go this shop for Milton Kings. I go do like general shopping. Guess what? It was like 4 because I just put one in my husband's car now. So 4 packs like this. 4 packs and also 10 inside. 10 pieces inside. Guess how much? £10. But in Aldi, Tesco, because my kids, they love it. In Aldi, Tesco, just 5 of this one, and there's 10 in this packet. It's £5. So all of this, I bought it £10 plus VAT, £14. I'm so happy. So every time now, I'm going to be going to do my general shopping. So going to shop, buy £1 thing, £2 thing. If you just buy monthly shopping, a lot bulk, it save you money. It might look very expensive, but I tell you, it's good. So me now, if I wanted to go and buy this thing in Tesco now, I would have buy this full box now for £10. But I end up buying all of this for £10, and it's 4 box. So 10 here, 10 here, 10 here. So 10, 40 pieces for £10. Wow, amazing. I've been seeing this plate called Malakasa. So I thought I should also have it. Because I've been thinking to change some of my plates since all this time. So I saw the review, was quite impressive. So I'm going to show you or tell you how I feel. People say the plate is so nice because of the shape. So I can't wait to also show you guys what I think about it. I'm so excited, seriously. So I bought it from Temu. So wow, this is actually very beautiful. So I need to be careful. Wow, this is gorgeous. Oh my god, I like the shape. The shape is so beautiful. I'm going to use this one to eat my fish and plantain and everything. It's so nice. It's so beautiful. So let's see the other ones. No, just take a look. Just take a look. It's so beautiful. Oh my god. Do you know that they also have like 90 something pieces? So I wasn't really sure about the plate. I wasn't really sure, but I said, let me just go with the 24 first. If I like it, I'll come and get some. So the plates also come with cup. Some of the things I bought from Shein. Demo actually. So I bought this rail to put my plates inside. So to put some plates, to stack my plates inside the shelf. So to put plates inside, that's what I bought it for. So it came out well. The review was good. So this is it. Before and after I finish setting the plates. So I'm going to show you how the plate was, how the storage was before I put this new accessory. Yeah, stay tuned. Guess how much is this yam? £3.50. £3.50 for this yam. Look how big it is. In where we are living, we'll literally buy this yam for like £14. Even now, if I can do my plus or minus, right, maybe £10 for this big yam. So I went to this shop, this store, or this market. I saw this yam. They said it was £3 before, but yesterday we bought it for £3.50. Look how this yam is. Very big. Very, very big. So another thing is, in my city, right, they don't just tell you, oh, this yam is £8. They will weigh it. So if this pan weigh like 3 kg or 3 kilo, right, they will tell you maybe £7 or £8. I can see that this yam might be like £9 because how heavy it is and how big it is. So yesterday when we went there, you know, now African woman like me, maybe they just tell me that it's £3.50, right? I just bought like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I bought like 8 pieces, so I'm going to store them. I'm going to peel them and store them in the fridge so that it will not get spoiled. So I'm so happy. So also with this with these tomatoes, right? So I bought these tomatoes £5, and if I go to the shop, if I buy one of 5 pieces, I can buy it like £2 something. But at the end of the day, I bought all this box. This one £5, so I'm so happy with this one as well. This one is £10, a lot. I can't see this pepper here for £10. Before I was like this box of pepper, maybe like 12 or 15 pounds. Even some shop like 10, 20 pounds. And also I bought this one. I bought this one as well. So this one, a box of bell pepper, I bought it like £10. So when I wanted to buy the last time I went to this shop, they told me £24. So how lucky I am. And also I bought this one as well, the long pepper. The box, it was £11, and it's a lot. It's fresh and so nice. This will be good for my stew and my moi moi. So I'm so happy. So I did a lot of shopping, like bulk. I'm just going to stock them in my fridge. So I'm going to either bring the seed out, and then I'll just freeze them. Maybe I'll do another video on how I freeze all these things. And also I bought this plantain as well for £20. Me, I'm a plantain lover. I love my plantain very well. So if I want to go and buy this box of plantain maybe in a shop, I can end up buying like £50 plus, or 40, from 40 something pound upward. I can buy it. But guess what? I bought this box of plantain for £20. Immediately they told me it was £20, just pick it up. Even this pineapple is very expensive here. I bought it for £1. So yesterday I was super happy because there's another place that I literally find out that I can go and do like lots of monthly shopping. So stay with me and see. A lot of money was spent here and I was so tired. I took my kids as well. It was a tiring day for me. So this whole thing, I did all of this thing yesterday, but I couldn't. And also I bought fruit. If I want to buy this fruit in Tesco or Asda or any other place, I'll buy like £2 something. But I end up buying like £1. And also for strawberry. So I want to make black soup. So I had to buy this scent leaf. The smell is like this proper African scent. So nice, and it's fresh. So I want to use it for my black soup. I have other leaves that I bought from Nigeria as well, but they are blended. So I'm just gonna blend this one, add it to it. So it was a lot. It was a lot for me yesterday. Oh, tired. This is £10. £10, £11, yes. But where we are, you can buy this in £20 or more. So this one, we'll buy this back from shop. So we just use it to pass some of them inside. So we'll take this one for the party. For the party now. I also bought this thing from TikTok. No, sorry, Temu. It's so nice. So I'm still expecting 2 of this one. So I'm going to put the link on either on my TikTok studio or my Facebook, so you guys can go check it. It's very nice. So I'm going to show you guys now. Picture of the when I'm pouring the rice inside. It's so nice. So it comes with a little cup. People like us don't like to eat rice. Not that you just pouring rice from the back into your pot. You just use a small cup. Measure like 5 of this one. So look, you can open it like this, and you can also, maybe if you want to fill the rice into the bowl, you take it from here and then you cover it. And I think you can also lock it as well. Yeah, you can also lock it as well. So let's pour our rice inside. So this is everything from my bulk African shopping trip. I love shopping this way because it keeps me connected to my roots and make cooking easy and enjoyable. If you love African food, bulk shopping is definitely the way to go.
your wallet to say thank you, and your meal will always be on point. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.
What